I'm doing great. How you doing, Bev?
I'm so happy.
How's everything? It's happening?
It's happening. You can go in a minute.
Perfect.
You can see what's happening. But before, I want to tell you what's happening out here. As a part of phase one, we're going to change the face of the building, which I think is really important to get people excited about it. Starting over here, for some reason, I don't understand what the heck they use this for, because you can see it's a window. It's not a case.
I thought it was like a poster case or something. I thought maybe, right?
How did
Okay.
they get a poster in here? That's what
True.
I couldn't figure out.
Okay.
So what I'm going to do is change this to a poster case, in the sense that it will be a door that opens. But this is going to be our tribute wall. I'm in
Awesome.
the process of arranging to get a company that's going to make metal plates.
Okay.
That we will be able to put all the people who are patrons of the theater. At the top will be a picture. A brass piece that has the picture of Mr. Sam Bug, who amazingly gave us this building when we approached him 10 years ago. And Mr. Bug just passed away. He was 100 years old, which is amazing. I wish he'd been alive and been able to see what we're going to put up for him, but that's going to be really exciting.
That's amazing.
We're also obviously going to repair the stucco and paint it. And of course, if you should shoot up, the wonderful marquee will be redone.
Gosh,
you can see has a lot of work to be done, but we're excited about that.
But it's still beautiful.
It is.
It's still beautiful.
It is beautiful. Our ticket counter, all of these, we're going to keep the same railings and stuff on the doors. Of course, we'll sand the doors down, and
Okay.
I'm going to take those ugly lights down. I don't know where they came from. But we have all sorts of poster places that we can put. And you know, the guys inside, when they took walls out, they found a bit of a time capsule. Somebody had rolled up a couple of the little posters and put them in the walls. So
No
they
way.
saved it for me, which was so
Oh,
cool.
that's so awesome.
So we're gonna put those
wow.
up, and then of course all of these doors will be redone, and it'll be great. We got a major crack in the stucco there. Of course, that will be repaired.
Wow. Oh, I saw.
But I'm really excited about that. So
Awesome. This is.
It's happening.
I am so proud of you for getting everything together. It's going to be absolutely amazing.
It's gonna be.
It's gonna be
fantastic.
so
All we have to do is
amazing.
raise some money to continue.
Good for you.
I'm looking for a grant already, some grants so that we can move to the balcony and be able to do that. And then, of course, the main room will be the last thing. But I'm just focused on getting money. I think when people see what we're doing already, I think they can't help but participate. That's what my feeling is.
The thing I always say, Bev, is one step at a time. You get through one, then you move to the next.
It's true.
It will happen.
It will happen.
It will happen.
It's taken 10 years to get this far, but the beginning is always the most difficult.
There-
So I'm just focused my energy on seeing it to completion. Hopefully, I will not be in a wheelchair when it opens.
You will not be in a wheelchair, Bev. You will not be in a wheelchair. No, you got this.
But there you go. So you can go in now and take a look at.
Perfect.
But I'll let you walk through and just shoot what they're doing. And each time we do this, it will become more apparent what we're doing, and that's what will be exciting. But thank you for coming and shooting.
Absolutely. Thank you for having me. This is the first stages of the renovation of the Mecca Theatre in Chase City, Phase 1. And this is where the old ticket booth was. Wow. Look at all of that. And that's the upstairs. That phase will begin later. The balcony renovations. Whoa. Dark down there.
Sin cartón, un cuarto, güey. Pásame otra pistola, güey. Sí. Tráeme mi martillo. Ya. Quítale poquito, güey. Pásame la aceite, güey. ¿Aceite, güey? Pásame el aceite, güey, por favor. Cuidado con las manos, güey. Ahí está en la pared, güey. Ahí donde está la escalera, güey. La escalera azul.